Okay, fur babies, are we ready to go out in the snow? Are you ready? Okay, let's go. The little nose is anticipation. Here we go. Oh. Nope. Snowman snow. Well, we can build a snowman with the snow. It was real fluffy last night. Now it's heavy as hell. I actually think... Oh, the snow. Look at the little birds. Jiggy, ready for snowballs? No, over here. Ready? Come on. Ready? Hey, Lil. Snowy, snowy. Oops. At least everybody did their poo. Come on. Winter Wonderland. I think it actually probably snowed rained a little at some point because the snow's kind of heavy. As you can see, branches down. Yay, I had just finished cleaning all of this up. Cleaned off the bird feeders for the for the birdies. There's Lil. Lil loves wallowing around in the snow. JJ von Schnoo. Oh, where are you? Walking in a winter wonderland. Oops. Snow is deep. I don't know. I'm gonna guess maybe 15 inches. I guess 15, 16 inches of snow. Snowman snow. Lil! Lily! Come on, Lil! Lil, come! Come on, little girl! Come on, little girl! Noodles! Mr. Noodles! Oh, Mr. Noodles. Measurement. Looks like about 13, a little over 13 inches in Ashland. Stag. Ready? Come, you little Okay, throw it like that way.
She's enjoying it.
Lily Angels.
High five. Hey! High five. High five.
That's a good Lily girl. Look at that Lily face. That Lily face. Look at that Lily face. Lily loves the snow.